Okay guys, so we're ready to pour in our boiled pasta. Hi guys! So we're making tuyo pasta this time. Ang mga ingredients natin, we have fresh garlic. I also have some garlic chips, and this is plainly for garnishing. Of course, the star of the dish is our gourmet tuyo. Most of the time, yung tuyo, ginagamit nila is herring fish. It's dried salted fish that's been marinated in olive oil, some peppercorn, and garlic. I also have some spaghettini noodles that I boiled for about 8 minutes. We also will be needing some butter and then some Parmesan cheese. So first things first, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter sa ating pot. We'll let it melt. And then we're also gonna add the oil from the tuyo just to intensify the flavor. Okay, so almost melted na yung ating butter. We're gonna add about 4 cloves of garlic. And then we're just gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, pwede na nating i-add yung ating gourmet tuyo. So I'm just gonna get probably 1/4 of the bottle. And then we'll go from there. So if you want guys, meron pala siyang chili. If you want it spicy, pwede ninyong i-crush yung chili like this. We'll wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we can add in our spaghettini. Okay guys, so we're ready to pour in our boiled pasta. I'm just gonna soften it a little. So if you notice guys, medyo dry yung ating pasta. Ang remedy natin dyan is we'll just add a little more oil from the bottle. And then we'll just mix it well. At this time, fully incorporated na yung ating gourmet tuyo, yung ating fresh garlic, yung ating butter and olive oil. We can turn off the pan or we can turn off the heat, and then we'll just mix it one more time, and then it's ready for plating. This is our tuyo pasta. I'm just gonna add garlic chips, and I'm also gonna add grated Parmesan cheese. This is just optional. And then just top ko lang siya ng parsley. There you go guys. So this is our finished product, our tuyo pasta. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you.